In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean vertical gaming layout in OBS Studio that works great for short form content. And if you'd rather skip building everything from scratch, I've also put together a ready-made OBS layout pack that includes the layout shown in this video. You'll find the link in the description. But I'll also show you how to build everything yourself step by step. Let's get started. Open OBS Studio and click Settings, then select Video, set your base canvas resolution to 1080 by 1920, then set your output scaled resolution to 1080 by 1920 as well. Make sure both of these settings match. If your base canvas is vertical, but your output resolution is still 1920 by 1080, your recording may not come out correctly. Once both are set to 1080 by 1920, click Apply, then click OK. Now add your gameplay source. This can be game capture, display capture, window capture, or a capture card source depending on how you record. Resize and position the gameplay so it fits the vertical canvas. Before we create the loadout and health sections, let's add a Facecam. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel and choose Video Capture Device. Give it a name and click OK. Select your webcam from the device list and click OK again. Your camera should now appear on screen. Resize it and move it towards the top of the vertical canvas. For this layout, we're placing the Facecam above the HUD section so viewers can still see your reactions without covering too much gameplay. Once you're happy with the position, we can move on to creating the health and loadout sections. Now that we've finished the first layout, let's keep everything organized. In the Scenes panel, right-click your scene and choose Rename. Call this scene Facecam plus Heads Up Display. This is the main layout and the one most creators will probably use. Keeping your scenes clearly named makes it much easier to switch between different layouts later. To create the health crop, right-click your gameplay source and choose Copy. Then right-click in the Sources panel and choose Paste Reference. If you want to keep things organized, you can place that reference inside a group called Health Crop. Select the gameplay source inside that group, then hold Alt and drag the edges inwards to crop around your health and shield bar. To get it as close as possible, resize it by dragging the corners, then hold Alt to fine-tune the area you want to show. It can take a little while to get it just right, and you may have to tweak it a few times to fit. Move it into position near the top of your layout. Now do the same thing for your loadout. Right-click your gameplay source again, choose Copy, then choose Paste Reference. Place that reference inside a group called Loadout Crop. Select the gameplay source inside the group. Hold Alt and crop around your loadout or inventory. Move it next to the health crop. Now your viewers can see your health, shield, weapons, ammo, and loadout much more clearly on mobile. Now let's create our second layout. The second layout is Heads Up Display Only. This is for creators who don't want to use a camera. It keeps the enlarged health and loadout at the top, with the gameplay filling the rest of the screen. This is a clean option for gameplay only clips. Right-click the scene we just created and choose Duplicate. Rename the new scene HUD Only. This will give us a copy of everything we've already built so we don't need to start from scratch. For this version, simply remove the Facecam source and leave the health and loadout sections in place. You can move them wherever you prefer. If you hold Shift and select both of them, you can move them together at the same time. Copy the original scene again, and we can call this one Facecam Only. Delete the loadout and health crop and reposition the Facecam to wherever you prefer. Remember to hold the Alt key if you need to crop in, rather than just resize it. This works well for reactions, commentary, or creators who don't need to show enlarged heads-up display elements. Once your layout is ready, record a short test clip, then watch it back on your phone. This is important because a layout can look fine on your monitor, but feel different on a mobile screen. If anything feels too small, too big or too close to the edge, just tweak the position and record another short test. If you'd like to save some time, I've also bundled these layouts together as a simple OBS Scene Collection. It's called the Clip Ready Vertical Gaming Layout Pack. It includes all 3 layouts that we've made today, the Facecam plus HUD Layout, the HUD Only Layout, and the Facecam Only Layout, along with a setup guide to help you get started. To use it, simply import the Scene Collection into OBS, switch to the Clip Ready Scene Collection, replace the gameplay and Facecam sources, and you're ready to go. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.